Hey YouTube, today I'm gonna put out a different type of video. It's more or less like a vlog instead of my typical install or me working on my bike type video. It's gonna be a little bit different, but it's gonna be more focused on me enjoying motorcycling as a hobby. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay YouTube, so tomorrow I'm headed to MotoAmerica, and I just got my KEMIMOTO bag from Amazon today. I'm pretty excited because not only does this backpack have a spot to put your helmet, so I don't have to just carry my helmet in my hand all day, but it has both a chest strap and a waist strap, and I'm hoping that I can somehow rig this so that it can sit on my sissy bar on my Rebel 1100. You can do it! As many of you guys know, I live in the Pacific Northwest, and on top of that, the MotoAmerica event is going to be held at the Ridge, which is out in Washington State, where I'm originally from. But yeah, no, there's always a chance of rain, so yeah, I got a little wet weather bag for the backpack that's included in this kit, which is pretty nice.
Nice.
And already I'm loving this bag. My helmet fits in there perfectly. And if you're wondering, yes, that is the Strata 3 limited edition. My helmet number is, I don't know, there's only 2,000 of these made, so. But looks like mine is 1683 of 2000, if you could see that there. It's kind of hard to see. Also, just a friendly reminder, I am not sponsored by KEMIMOTO in any way, shape, or form, but I do think a lot of their products is pretty legit. So please, if you think you're going to like this product, give it a shot. You can always return it to Amazon if you don't. All right, everyone, I'm here at the Ridge, MotoAmerica, and I'm near the ARC tent, and you can see right there, there's Guard Hollinger. This is dope. Yeah. Going away. Keep up with these batteries. Oh my god, guys, I don't think they even announced pricing for this bike yet. This is insane. And I believe this bike here is a single thumper, and it's priced at $30,000. With these batteries.
To the flag, make some noise for Andy DeBrino! I'm sure this is going to get a huge cheer. He was on the phone to Keanu Reeves, or rather God Hollander was. What a sensational story. A pole position, a new track record, and a first ever win for Arch Motorcycles, Corey Alexander! What a race that was. Of course, if you are enjoying the Mission Super Hooligans racing, we got to do it all again.